Welcome to my channel. ASUS RT BE96U installation. Router setup steps. Unplug the power of cable/DSL modem. 1. If you are using DSL for internet, you will need your username/password from your internet service provider, ISP, to properly configure your router. 2. Connect your modem to the WAN port at the back side of the router with the network cable provided. 3. Power on the modem. Plug modem to the power outlet and power on. 4. Check the modem LED lights to ensure the connection is active. Install your router. 1. Plug the adapter into the DSL port and press the power switch. 2. The power LED will light up when the hardware is ready. Via app. 3. App. On your iOS or Android mobile device, go to the App Store, search for ASUS Router, and download the app. 4. App. On your iOS or Android mobile device, tap Settings on Wi-Fi, connect to the default network SSID shown on the product label on the back side of the router. Or scan the QR code on the product label to connect the default network SSID. 5. App. Launch ASUS Router app and follow the instructions to complete the setup. Via web browser, wired, connect your PC to a LAN 2-4, port at the back side of the router using an additional network cable. Wireless. Connect to the network with default SSID shown on the product label on the back side of your router ASUS_XX. Wired/wireless, open a web browser. You will be redirected to the ASUS Setup Wizard. If not, navigate to http://www.asusrouter.com. Thank you for watching.